Morning. In this video, I will guide you how you can create an invoice for service confirmation. So you have provided a service to any counterparty and you have received the goods. After the service, you have dispatched the good. Now you want to create an invoice and send to that counterparty or to the buyer. You need to go in the transaction module. In transaction module, I have already created a service confirmation. This is a policing service which I have provided to Brilliant Engineering Private Limited. What I will do, I will open this particular service transaction. So please check, after the service confirmation, I created invert GRN, and then after through Challan, I dispatched the goods. Here on your right hand side, you will see an option of create document. Click on this. Now you will see an option of tax invoice. Please select tax invoice in order to create a tax invoice for the service confirmation. Now all the details will be fetched from service confirmation document. Document number is on auto. You can change it manually as well, or you can change the number series through customize option here. Payment date is already selected according to my payment term. Going below, please check the particular service which was in service confirmation is listed here. I can add an additional item here. I can add extra charges as well. From additional details, I can add my bank information and term and condition. So here I will select my State Bank of India bank account details. You can add an additional email as well in this particular service confirmation. You can upload a new signature from manage signature option. Going below, you will see two options, save as draft and save and send. If you wish to keep it internally before sending it to the customer, please use save as draft. If you wish to save and send directly to the customer, click on save and send. Once you will click on save and send, it will ask for the confirmation. Please click on yes in order to create the service confirmation invoice. Please check this particular service confirmation invoice is created. Same has been sent to their email. You can share it through WhatsApp as well through the share option. From other action, you will see option of creating credit note, debit note, print or e-way bill number. So I hope this particular video was helpful around creating invoice for service confirmation. Have a good day ahead.